Hey everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So we're all here in Perth. We arrived late last night, particularly late for a Victorian because we operate 3 hours earlier than Perth time. But just looking out the window here at our hotel, and we can see the beautiful architecture of the Perth Mint just over there. So we will get ourselves ready and we will make our way down there. So stay tuned, you're going to see some interviews, you're going to see us wandering around. We're hoping to get into the gold pour and just have a general look-see. So yeah, stay tuned, it'll be a lot of fun. Talk later. Hey everyone, it's Michael and Matt from Bullion Now, and we've finally made it to the Perth Mint. So here we are, you can see incredible architecture, incredible scenery, obviously good coffee. Matt's already half charged.
Not bad, it's all right.
So what are you wanting to see? Oh, we're going to get cut off here. What are you wanting to see over there, mate?
Well, it's a bit of a fun fact. Hey Michael, do you know the names of those two blokes in there in the statue?
I'm going to go with no.
It's Matt and Michael.
Good on you.
Nah, I've got no idea. Let's go in and have a look.
So what did you say the names were? William and
Arthur. I thought it was Matt and Michael.
Yeah. But I mean, this depicts, obviously it's an artist's impression, but it depicts, discovery of gold 130 years ago. But just, you look at the scene, you look at the characters and how the world's changed in 130 years. But the gold there is still central to a lot of economies and a lot of people's lives. So it's, I don't know, it just kind of spoke to me. I don't do art ever, but it kind of like this gold nugget in the middle of all this change. I thought it was good.
Sets the scene nicely.
Yeah.